Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Manzur Ahmad Ganai, lecturer history. Our today's question for 11th class students of history subject is: which elements of Greek and Roman culture were revived in the 14th and 15th centuries? Dear students, as you know that the Roman and Greek civilizations were the two most important civilizations of ancient world in Europe, most developed civilizations in the world. And we understand that around 5th century AD, the Greek and Roman civilizations declined. And after 5th century AD, there started Middle Ages and Dark Ages in Europe, where there was everything in the hands of church, which we have already studied in the last unit, that is the three orders. However, in 14th and 15th centuries, due to the Renaissance movement, the new thinking and ideology began to start in Europe once again. And people began to revive the old glory and progress that Europe had achieved during the time of Greek and Roman civilizations in the ancient times. And now in this question we have been asked that what elements or what aspects of ancient Greek and Roman culture were revived in Europe during 14th and 15th centuries. So what were those aspects, those elements of the ancient Greek and Roman culture which were re-established or revived in the 14th and 15th centuries? Dear students, in 14th and 15th centuries, the 14th and 15th centuries saw a revival of ancient Greek and Roman culture in Europe in a number of ways. Number one, the ancient period of Greek and Roman cultures, which was referred to as the era of the classicism, was revived during the Renaissance period, that is from in 14th and 15th centuries. Means that classicism in simpler terms can be defined as the culture, art, literature, architecture, music, etc. of the ancient Greek and Roman empire civilizations, which was in a perfect form, which was in a simple form, perfect form. There was clarity in everything, so it was in an ideal form. So there was the architecture, art, literature, music, everything was in a very this ideal form. There was simplicity, there was perfection, there was uniqueness in form, there was clarity of structure, clarity of images, clarity of literature. So everything, every aspect of the culture was every aspect of the culture, whether it was literature, it was architecture, it was music, whatever it was in perfect shape, it was simpler shape, it was clear, it was having intellectual appeal. And this culture of the ancient Greek and Roman civilizations was known as the classicism, the era of classicism, as the culture of classical era, or the era of classicism. And this culture, the ancient culture of classicism, was revived once again in 14th and 15th centuries in the European history. Number one. Number two, order, balance, harmony, decoration, etc. in the field of literature, art, music, and architecture were revived in the 14th and 15th centuries, which were the basis of the ancient classicism. Means that the ancient classicism in the European history, which was based on the concept of order, harmony, balance, decoration, perfection in the field of literature, art, music, architecture, and these features were once again revived in the 14th and 15th centuries in the Europe. Number three, during 14th and 15th century, humanism became a much important philosophy where dignity and prosperity of man in this world was the main focus in that ideology of philosophy, in this ideology of humanism. And this was a leaf out of ancient classicism, means that in the ancient classicism of the Greek and Roman periods, there was focus was in that time as given to the human welfare, human well-being. And in the 14th and 15th centuries, through the ideology of humanism, the old the thoughts of human welfare were revived back in 14th and 15th centuries. Number 4, in the religious field as well, the Greek and Roman ideology was followed to a large extent. So in the religious field as well, the religious whatever the old beliefs of people were about a religion, about religious principles in the ancient Greek and Roman civilizations were revived once again in 14th and 15th centuries. Thank you.